That song was brought to you by Bigger Light Tea. Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa tiyan na sexy, take Bigger Light Tea. And Cebu Pacific, why everyone flies. And Coco Life, big in life.
Slow down, go easy. Easy road.
Hi, it's 12:31. That time check was brought to you by SkinMate Shark Oil and V Fresh. Kapayapaan, karunungan, kasipagan, sigaw ng bayan, V Fresh. And Fujidenzo Home and Commercial Appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving features in all our products. So choose wisely. Choose Fujidenzo. Fujidenzo, quality above all. Hi, Tony. What's your secret to staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise?
It's simple. It's Bigger Light Tea. Bigger Light Tea helps take away constipation. Send it sexy. Bigger Light Tea.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Light Tea. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa tiyan na sexy, take Bigger Light Tea.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan na ang labada, kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda.
Honey, anong tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Gaanda.
Kung pwede ako dito sa flat.
Gaanda.
Kung dress na lang kaya ako.
Gaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ang dami suot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit ng panlabas. Pride with fabric conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit. Tira ko yata magpagzama.
Gaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan ang labada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Pride with fabric conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
Iwasang mangalay kung sa mga kamay mo nakasalalay ang iyong trabaho. Mag-Farex B Complex araw-araw para sa tuloy-tuloy na repair at protection ng nerves. Farex B Complex. Di bibigay sa ngalay.
Para sa pamilya ni Carmina at Loren.
Spaghetti. Jolly spaghetti.
Oh, Jollibee.
Para sa amin, perfect talaga ang blending ng sweetness at rich tomato taste ng Jolly Spaghetti. We put off na the best.
Kaya spaghetti and old spaghetti. Oh, Jollibee.
The best ang Jolly Spaghetti. Try the new Jolly Spaghetti combos with regular yum, twirl, and drink, or with Jolly Hot Dog and regular drink for only 89 pesos.
Mga misis, para sa dishwashing natanggal ang sebo, pati bakterya, Smart Dishwashing, tanggal din sa'yo for only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Smart Dishwashing, tanggaling-galing.
Hi! After the cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing of the pinaglutuang masibong-masibo ang pinagkainang maaang mabakterya.
Ang misis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay na bagay sa iyo. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo. Tanggal galing ang bakterya. Sa presyong kay gaan-gaan pa.
Thank you.
Smart Dishwashing. Tanggaling galing. Only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Suggested retail price.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Hey, how are you? Ba't di ka na gumiginig? Uy, what happened?
Nasunog kasi mukha ko dahil sa iba't ibang produktong ginagamit ko eh.
Ganyan din ang nangyari sa girlfriend ko before. Alam mo ba kung anong nagpagaling sa nasunog ng balat? SkinMate Shark Oil.
SkinMate Shark Oil?
Oo, basal whitening oil. It removes dead skin cells and blemishes, allowing new skin cells to dominate, making smooth, whiter, radiant, and younger-looking skin. Effective treatment din ito sa pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. SkinMate Shark Oil is proven effective to whiten underarms and other body parts.
Talaga? Sige, bye. Bibili muna ako ng SkinMate Shark Oil para beauty. SkinMate Shark Oil, available at Mercury Drug Store, Watson's, Robinson's, and Metro Gaisano. Steve Speed Magazine's September cover girl, Maha Salvador, dons her Buddy Holly style glasses and shows you how sexy geeks can be. Read Speed Magazine's reviews of the Huawei Ascend P7, Lenovo S860, LG G3, Oppo Find 7A, and Samsung Galaxy Tab S to make sure you get your money's worth. Get up to date with a volatile tech industry and know what the emergence of second-tier brands means to the smartphone industry. Ready for some dose of tech geekiness? Grab your copy of Speed Magazine's September issue at your favorite bookstore or download the digital versions from Zinio, Flico, or Magster. 96.3 Easy Rock is the official radio partner.
When the magic is real, yet seems impossible. That's real. That's the greatest trick of all.
David Blaine, Real or Magic, live in Manila, September 12, Mark Araneta Coliseum. For tickets, visit ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. Making the impossible real. David Blaine, live, brought to you by Air 21 from AXN, Ovation Productions, and 96.3 Easy Rock.
Iba't ibang mamamayan sa buong bayan. May tinapay na kinakikinigan. Tulad ni Mang Ben. Gardenia! Naubos sarap si Teacher Lea. Uy, Gardenia! Ang masarap! At syempre, ang hindi magpapahuli, si Mami Tina at ang kanyang mga tikiting. Basta Gardenia! Palibasa, Gardenia! Salakbo, popo, sarap! Pati ako, napapa... Gardenia, masarap kahit walang palaman. Ang mga tunay na magkabrad, nagsasaling puwersa para mabuo ang lahat. Tipong may tagahanda, may tagarap. Saling puwersa tayo, Brad. Hanapin mo na ang saling puwersa ang naging para sa mga alaalang babalik-balikan. Yan ang nabibigay ng bagong Colt 45. Saling puwersa tayo. Lumalabas ang tunay na kapatiran pag nagsanib na ng puwersa. Ako po si Raymond Marasigan. Ako naman si Abra. Nagsanib puwersa sa bagong Colt 45. Drink responsibly.
You make me complete, easy rock.